So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. So you see I'm holding a bag from ULAHAIR. They sent me some hair and I'm going to review this hair. So I just wanted y'all to see the bag and see the things that they sent me within the bag. So we're gonna start with, I think I have the 20, 22, and 24 deep wave hair. And I'm gonna pull the hair out of the bag so you guys can see the quality of the hair. And it's actually, it looks pretty good, it feels good. So yeah, this is the hair that they sent. It's really soft. I can't wait to do what I'm doing and use it and see what it looks like. Okay, so they sent me 3 bundles of hair. They sent me a Eula comb. I think I'm saying that right, Eula. Oh well, but here's the other bundle. And look like they sent a pack of the wig cap. They also sent, look like a refund policy note and share your video, and I guess they give you a discount for doing that. Also, they sent a instruction manual, and in the manual it has, let's see, the do's and the don'ts: sew the weft, shampoo the hair, condition the hair, relieving itching, hair care products to use, flat irons, color that might work well with the hair. So all that is in the bag. Also, that's the other bundle, the third bundle. Oh, they sent me the edge wrap. The wrap for your edges that say ULAHAIR on it, so I actually utilize this little piece. They also sent, let's see, some lashes. Those are cute. I can't wait to wear those. And they also sent one more thing. It feels like in here. Oh, that's it, guys. So I'll be happy to do a review on this hair, and I'll show you the video shortly. So I'm here on vacation and I put this unit together with the ULAHAIR. This hair is super soft and the texture is beautiful. So I created a removable quick weave unit with the ULAHAIR. And this hair, this particular style, is a 2-in-1, and I'm going to show you guys how I am able to really style this hair and get 2 complete looks out of it. And there might be a bonus. I'm gonna see if I can work it, but I don't know yet. So this is the one part of the hair that I created. This is ULAHAIR. It is so soft, guys. And I only had 3 bundles between the 2 parts. And so when I say this hair is not heavy at all, it's not heavy. It feels light. I don't feel like I get hot. If it's too hot outside, I feel cool, calm, and collective. Now, on this side, you can see a little exposure on of the tracks, but if you want to cover this, you can. You can cover it. But I like it like this. I like it. I like it. I actually feel good about this piece.
Physically and spiritually. Am I talking to someone? Wave your hands if you can hear me. If you're not...
husband just walked in, guys.
The snake is just chilling. This is so awful. used to be. I feel like I'm talking to myself. The Lord told me to come and give you a message this week.
To give you guys a brief cap on what I think about ULAHAIR. I feel like this is some really soft hair. You guys won't believe how soft it is. When I actually had to cut the wefts in order to make this unit, so it was a little shedding but not much, and I think that was due to me cutting the wefts. Now, believe it or not, I didn't put any product in this hair. I just pulled it apart. And I didn't shampoo it. I didn't put any products in. It's just like it came. This is how I used it. So I think it's really good. It feels light. It looks full, but it's really light. So I like that about it. It don't feel heavy or weighed down on my hair. And you know my hair is like really soft and fine. So I think this is really good for Uli. The texture is superb. Now this is one of the beachwear styles I would wear to the beach. I'm actually at the beach now, but we're having a little bad weather. You can kind of see behind me. But I would actually wear this to the beach, and I probably, yeah, I wouldn't do anything else to it. Just wear it just like this, as opposed to the full with the both sides on it. I think this would be my favorite style with this unit. I don't know. I'm excited about Uli and what they're doing with their products. I think it would be a good investment if you guys want to try it. Look like they got good deals on their sites, and the hair is like really affordable. So go check Uli out. You guys let me know what you think once you purchase your Uli products. All right, and I think that's it for today, guys. So I'll see you on the next video. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit your post notification buttons for more updates. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. You don't know how blessed I am to have you follow me on my page. And I know that Jesus loves you, and guess what? I do too. So you be blessed.